Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I showed you a symmetrical triangle formation that had been developing since early October. Today, that pattern has officially broken to the downside, invalidating the neutral continuation setup that was previously expected. Instead of resolving upward through the descending trend line around 109 to 111,000, the price clearly dropped below the ascending base, confirming a downward breakout. The move accelerated once Bitcoin failed to hold the 108.5 thousand horizontal support, a level that aligned with both the lower boundary of the triangle and the short-term moving averages. Now the next visible support zones are located near 106 and 104,000, both coinciding with prior accumulation areas. This shift marks a transition from consolidation back into a trending phase, with momentum currently favoring sellers. The symmetrical triangle was valid while the market was coiling, but this breakdown confirms that short-term structure has turned negative. We could see continued downside or, at best, a retest of the breakdown region between 108 and 109,000 before the next clear directional move develops. The market right now feels like a battlefield filled with wounded participants. Around $1,370 million were liquidated, of which roughly $1,230 million came from long positions. As of now, November stands about minus 2.35% overall. Checking the liquidation heat maps, on the 3-day view, the important hot level at 105.9 thousand has been cleared, with the most active area now sitting higher near 111.6 thousand, hinting at short-term upside potential. The 1-week view shows a similar structure. The strongest cluster near 106,000 was removed yesterday, leaving no visible leverage interest below current prices. The next visible liquidity pockets start between 111 and 115,000. On the 1-month view, the same level around 106,000 has been wiped clean, which previously held over $1 billion in leveraged exposure. With that gone, the remaining visible targets now sit higher, between 116 and 119.6 thousand. Looking at Bitcoin spot ETF data, total outflows yesterday reached about $186 million, nearly identical to the previous day's $191 million. Interestingly, both moves came almost entirely from BlackRock, while the other issuers remained inactive. In other words, while retail participants are reacting emotionally, institutional players appear to be standing by and waiting for clarity. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time insights. Thanks for leaving a comment, it really helps the channel. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.